Hey there, meat lovers. If you're all about that carnivore life, I've got some juicy recommendations for you today. Literally, here are the best carnivore diet cookbooks you need in 2024. First up, the Carnivore Cookbook by Maria Emmerich. This one's like the holy grail for anyone on a strict carnivore diet. With over 100 recipes, you're going to see everything from organ meats to smoking techniques. It's all about high-quality meat and simple seasonings, just the way it should be. Maria keeps things straightforward. Salt, meat, done. You can't go wrong with this one. Next, the Essential Carnivore Diet Cookbook by Vivica Menegas and Erin Blevins. This beauty offers 60 recipes focused on healing and weight loss, all while keeping it simple. Ever tried smoky carpaccio with golden marrow oil or honey-glazed beef spare ribs? These ladies bring some serious creativity to the table. Perfect for those of you looking to explore new meat preparations. Now, if you're into hardcore cooking, check out Hardcore Carnivore Cook Meat Like You Mean It by Jess Pryles. Published in 2017, but still a must-have. This book covers broiling, grilling, and roasting like a pro. With over 100 recipes, you'll find a balance between easy weekday meals and weekend culinary challenges. Jess really knows how to make meat the star of the show. For a deep dive into the carnivore lifestyle, grab The Carnivore Diet by Sean Baker. It's more than a cookbook, it's a comprehensive guide. Sean gives you the historical context, health benefits, and practical advice for going full carnivore. Plus, you get meal plans and recipes to keep you on track. If you're serious about this diet, this book is a must-read. Moving on to The Carnivore Code by Paul Saladino. This book is foundational for understanding the diet's health benefits and science. With sample meal plans and recipes, it's perfect for both beginners and seasoned carnivores. Paul breaks it all down, making it easy to follow and stick with this lifestyle. And last but definitely not least, Carnivore Cure by Judy Cho. Focused on the elimination aspect of the carnivore diet to achieve optimal health, this book is packed with detailed guidance and recipes. Judy helps you transition smoothly and effectively. It's like having a personal coach in your kitchen, so there you have it. 6 incredible carnivore cookbooks to sink your teeth into in 2024. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned meat enthusiast, these books have something for everyone. Keep cooking, keep eating, and stay healthy, my fellow carnivores. Please like, share, and subscribe for more meaty content. Until next time.